गई अनु को लेके। हम तो पहुंच गए। म्यूजिक भी बज रहा है ना। स्टैंडर्ड टू हाँ
स्टैंडर्ड टू फिल्म बोलते घर आ रहे हो नहीं?
हाँ घर सारे पेरेंट्स लगे मैं छोड़ी नहीं हूँ, इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि ये अनु का देखा 2 घंटा लगी। इतना छोटी छोटी अभी तो देंगे, इनका मेकअप होगा और गले में लगाने के लिए। कहीं अनु दिखाओ, ये देखो अनु का बच्चे। सारे म्यूजिक चल रहा है ना। अंशिका घूम बेटा, इधर घूम। और इधर मेरी तरफ से। और इधर। और इसकी माँ की कॉस्ट्यूम देखो, सेम माँ बेटी दोनों सेम पहने। घूम पीछे, ये देखो अनु की कॉस्ट्यूम ना पहनना हमें 2 घंटा लगी है।
Member of Management Committee, Mrs. Anuradha Bharsakle, and our principal, Ms. Sanjita Sarangi, whose guidance and continued support have always been a source of inspiration. I request all the parents to give a big round of applause.
Today we are hosting Srijanotsav, which is itself a celebration of creativity. We are indeed honored to have amidst us on a chief guest, esteemed members of management and all the distinguished dignitaries with us. Srijanotsav is not merely a celebration of creativity, it is a celebration of innate potential of life itself. Our children have put in their utmost hard work to make this a grand success. By itself, it will mean a creation of all the flowering innate potential that has never been tapped before. We are indeed honored to have in our midst all the distinguished dignitaries today. A big round of applause and a big cheer for our distinguished dignitaries today. The dignitaries are now seated and we will proceed with the program, that is the presentation of bouquets and badges to honor and as a symbol of respect and heartfelt appreciation. We will now call upon the school captain Rumana Firdaus, vice captain Jivitesh Nayak and members of the student council to kindly come up here and present the bouquets to our honorable chief guest and distinguished dignitaries of the management. This symbolic gesture reflects our reverence, warm joy
Member of Management, Mrs. Buya, our dear Principal, Mrs. Sanjita Sarangi, parents of the trainers, parents of children and students, and media and ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great nostalgic moment for us, for me, to be here because my daughter, my only child, has started studying from St. Xavier's School when it was in Unit 3. So I actually don't want to come between you and the performance. The performance have been amazing, with such synchronizing, with such beautiful calibration. The small children are doing this. It is so heartening to watch. Only that I'm not very well. You can understand from my voice that I will not be able to say it. I know, all of you know that school at this stage, in the primary stage, is actually the foundation where the children go up. Madam Sarangi had talked about the students who have done so good, have learned, acquired laurels for the school and for the state, maybe for the country, but it's more important to participate, more important to be a good human being, and more important to have a fellow feeling, more important to have compassion, love and affection for each other. I am very sure this school, which is along with discipline, along with studies, is teaching all of you, all the students, to be good human beings, full of compassion and basically looking forward to be a good citizen of the country. My lot of blessings to the children and the parents who I know that once upon a time I was a parent like you, eagerly waiting for my daughter to come on stage and dance. I know that you all also would be quite eager to see your children coming on the dance and making their performance, maybe for the first time in their life. All the best to you. All the best. Thank you so much for inviting me here. Thank you.
And that was for an unprecedented competition, that is skating. And she ranked 6th in the national level. A wide round of applause for her. Thank you, ma'am, for giving away the felicitation memento. Yet we are indeed honored to have the esteemed members of management and the honorable chief guest here to give away the memento to honor her contributions in the field of skating, and a wide round of applause again for Adya. We would now like to acknowledge the invaluable presence of our honorable chief guest, and the members of the esteemed members of the management are also going to felicitate her for her taking out her valuable time and giving us a precious time to watch the celebration in progress today. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Another invaluable piece.
जो तुमने सबसे पहले किया हो.
There's no science without experiment.
इतनी कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोग्रामिंग की नहीं है.
Isn't that exciting? पहली बार we going to do.
अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स कैसे फिट करेंगे? This is impossible, sir. हमें एक एक्सपीरियंस टीम चाहिए और ये सब तो.
इसरो में मार्स जाने का एक्सपीरियंस किसके पास है?
इस ट्रेजेक्टरी में 850 किलो फ्यूल के साथ it's impossible.
मुझे अभी पता नहीं है कि कैसे करेंगे, पर करेंगे सर. करना ही पड़ेगा सर. This is Rakesh Dhawan, Mission Control, initiating command for launch. Go!
Go, sir, go. Go, sir.
Go!
To bring the joyous tribal rhythm of Bihu to our stage, guided and choreographed by Kriti Kayal Madam and Anita Banerjee Madam, and choreographed by Kriti Kayal Madam. Are you guys ready for this magical performance to unfold?